Hi guys, if you want to arrange your desktop like this, simply set your desktop background using this wallpaper and then arrange the icons accordingly. Just right click on your desktop, go to view and uncheck the option align icons to grid. This will allow you to freely drag and drop your desktop icons anywhere, giving you full control over their placement. Once that's done, you can start arranging your icons creatively. So let's do it. It will give your PC a fresh, clean and visually appealing look that truly reflects your style.